outside the office of Derek Nolan TD of the Labour Party to present him with a copy of our pre-budget submission from Sinn Féin, which shows that there are clearly other choices to be made so that the wealthy in this state can be taxed more as opposed to taxing those who can't afford to pay more, while we can still reduce the deficit in our state coffers. So we're presenting this to our local Labour TD to make sure that they can bring these arguments back to the Cabinet colleagues to make sure that this upcoming budget is fair and equitable.
Furthermore to that as well, we're hoping that the government parties and Labour in particular will take notice of the Sinn Féin submission, very detailed submission that we have here in this document, and that like in other European countries, that they will make a serious attempt to debate the budget as opposed to coming out with a diktat on budget day like happens normally here in the 26 counties, and that we're looking for departure in relation to that. We see in a time now where the government, both Labour and Fine Gael, are targeting the vulnerable in our society, and the likes of cuts coming up with damaging home helps and leaving old people vulnerable in their homes. It's a time for this Sinn Féin submission to be taken seriously, and the issues that we've outlined here to make a real difference to ordinary people's lives to be taken on board.